Hi there, so nice to have you here. My name is Tim Schoch and I will be the host for this course. Our topic is how we can craft a coherent UX process that works for you. It's not so much about the methods themselves, but how you combine them all together to form an effective UX process and have a high impact on the final product. In the first section, we'll make sure everybody is on the same page by taking a look at what UX is and how the double diamond process works in theory. We'll then start with the fourth and last section of the double diamond, where we create the final deliverables. The third double diamond phase is about exploring possible solutions to our problem. In phase 2 of the double diamond, we synthesize our research and make sure we know exactly what we are trying to solve. And during the first phase of the process, we lay the foundation with initial research. In the last section of this course, we'll focus on how you can craft your personal UX process and adjust that to your customers' needs. For the activities, we'll need some arts materials. If you haven't got that already, make sure you've got a whiteboard or flip chart to draw on lots of sticky notes, markers, and normal paper. During the course, I'll have links and resources in the slides. You don't have to write them all down. You can find all those links, drawings, related information, and much more on a separate page on my website dedicated to this course. Before we jump right in, I want to take the time to briefly introduce myself so you know who this talking head is on your screen. I'm a full-stack UX freelancer from Switzerland, and I work on small and large-scale projects. Before I went rogue, I spent about 10 years in smaller web agencies as a front and back-end developer as well as a visual designer. I've experienced what it means to be a UX designer on an in-house development team in a large-scale corporate environment, as well as having to do the UX on a slim or non-existent budget for small design agencies. In terms of projects, I'm comfortable with a wide variety, be it UX or interaction design for websites, web apps, intranets, mixed reality, or I sometimes do UX consulting too. On a more private note, I'm married, I've got 3 kids. I really enjoy being in the nature and taking photos of it, although I haven't had that much time for that lately. You can visit my website at timschoch.com or feel free to connect with me on social media if you haven't already. The links are on the screen. Say hello, I'm always excited to hear your stories from fellow designers. Okay, that was the intro. Let's get to the interesting part.